Hi everyone, my name is Safrin and in today's video I will be creating this wedding guest makeup look. This is a very simple, dewy, very glamorous makeup look. If you're interested, then continue watching and do not forget to subscribe. First, I'm using the Dot & Key moisturizer. This is a hydrating moisturizer and it is a water-based moisturizer. As soon as you apply it, it will make your skin look super glowy. Then I'm following it up with a lip balm. For lip balm, I'm using the Dot & Key lip balm in the variant Cocoa Mint. And for primer, I'm using the Faces Canada primer. If you're looking for a good primer, which is a silicone-based primer to cover your pores, this is a good primer. For concealer, I'm using this LA Girl Orange Corrector. So this is a super high coverage corrector. It does help me cover my dark circles really well. I'm using the Mars Cosmetics brush set. This is a concealer brush. Their brushes are absolutely amazing. If you want to know more about the brush set, I will leave the link in the I button where you can see the review of this entire brush set. It's a super affordable brush set. So I've used the Inside Cosmetics concealer palette here. I'm using 2 shade darker concealer and I'm applying it on top of the orange corrector. This is going to neutralize my base so that the orange does not pop out too much on the skin. And even when you apply the foundation, it will give you a seamless finish rather than an orange face. So once I'm done with the concealer, we are going to move towards the foundation. However, before that, only by applying concealer can you see how glowy my skin looks. I haven't even used a strobe cream yet. Okay, so for foundation, I'm using the Nykaa All Day Matte Finish Foundation, yet another favorite foundation of mine. The Maybelline Fit Me foundation is absolutely wonderful. However, it is a matte finish foundation. But the Nykaa foundation says it's a matte finish. It is not a matte finish. It is a dewy foundation. You can see how much glow it provides on my skin now. So once I'm done with the foundation, I am going to go ahead and use a concealer again, which is a 2 shade lighter concealer, only on the areas where I had done color correction already. So can you see how glowy my skin looks? Okay, moving on. I'm using a contour stick. This contour stick is from K Beauty. You can see I've used most of the stick because it's a wonderful stick. Since I have a round face shape, this stick helps me to give that proper defined shape that I'm looking on my face. And it's very easy to blend. If you're looking for a very good contour stick, I would certainly recommend this one because it's absolutely wonderful even for your bridals. So once I'm done contouring my face, let's move on to the next step. I will be using super affordable products in the entire video. So yes, now I'm gonna contour my nose as well. I'm just contouring my nose, and whatever the extra product is there, I'm just blending it out on the sides of my nose. For blush, I have this blush which is absolutely under 100 rupees during sale. So this is the Inside Cosmetics blush. It is not super pigmented. However, if you want to make it look very pigmented, then you can apply 2 to 3 layers of it. For highlighter, again, I'm using the Inside Cosmetics highlighter, and even this is a very good product. I don't know how, I still keep saying this, I don't know how Inside Cosmetics manages to make such good products under such a good budget. For eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Pigment in Play eyeshadow palette. Before that, I've just set my face only in the T-zone using the PAC Cosmetics translucent powder. Now, from the Pigment in Play eyeshadow palette, I have taken a dark brown shade and I'm applying that only on the crease line to start with. Once I'm done with that, I have also applied it on the outer corners of my eyes. Then I'm using a shimmer over here. You can choose the shimmer that you would like. I've gone for a golden shimmer over here. And for kajal, I'm using this Faces Canada kajal. This is again super affordable, but it's super pigmented and it is waterproof as well. With the help of the kajal, first I drew a basic line and then I try to draw a wing. Now just to make it even more evident and dark, I'm using a sketch eyeliner over here. This is the Swiss Beauty sketch eyeliner, and again I'm just using the same kajal in my waterline, and I'm gonna blend it using a black eyeshadow. So yes, once I'm done with that, now let's move towards the lip liner. For lip liner, I'm using the Makeup Revolution lip liner, and I'm outlining my lips. This is a brown lip liner. I will leave all the links in the description below so that your complexion, it does give a beautiful brown shade, and I'm just going to use this lipstick on top of that. So this shade is called Crimson Rose. It's a very good shade, and on top of that lipstick I've used this Swiss Beauty lip gloss. Like I said, I will leave all the products in the description so you can just check the products and purchase them. This lipstick is absolutely wonderful, and with the lip gloss on top, it makes it look so beautiful. So do let me know, did you enjoy the video? If you did, do not forget to